Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another review. I'm going to be talking about a local brand here from LA. The name is Lemonhead and they sell adult glitter. So it's like regular glitter that comes in a pot like this. And they have a bunch of different types, you know, they have ones for the hair, they have ones for the body, they will have ones for the eyes and face and lips. And I'm gonna be trying out today the one for the eyes and lips. I bought two of them, so I have Silverlake, which is a nice silver, and I have this one, which is a Gunshow. So I'll be using Gunshow because I love this type of color. It's like, you know, graphite, really dark glitter. And I actually came across this brand because I know one of the founders. You know, I kind of used to work with her, and at the time she was like developing the product, and she was like, oh yeah, you know, I'm making my own brand and whatever. And then she also has a YouTube channel. I'm not sure if she uploads it in it at all, but I can research it if you're interested. I can put it in the info section. But I remember she was like developing this glitter thing, you know, and I didn't know what it was gonna be like, and all of a sudden I see that, you know, Jeffree Star made a review about it and he really liked it, and it got big. Like, they started selling into Namies and other places, and their, you know, internet store just blew up, and I wanted to get some and try them, so that's what I did a couple of weeks ago. And it is very, very unique type of glitter, because a lot of the times glitter can be kind of wispy. There isn't a lot in it. I mean, it looks really cool on the, you know, packaging, but then once you put it on, it goes on really, really strange and not even, and it's kind of random, the application of glitter in general. So what they did is they mix it with this medium that they created, and they created a very concentrated glitter paste, and that's what it actually is. And I've done a couple of looks with this already on my own, and I love playing with this product. I'm gonna swatch it to you on the back of my hand with a glitter brush so you can see what it looks like. So you can see the application is pretty even. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom in to my eyes, and I'm actually gonna be applying them on the lips so you can see how it goes on. Okay, so I like using the Kevin Aquan glitter brush because, you know, it's just a regular glitter brush. It's made of silicone and it doesn't have any bristles, so nothing gets caught in the bristles. And I'm just gonna apply it on my lid. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's super glittery. What I like about it is that it stays on in place really well, and it's very concentrated as you're applying. What I like to do, if you're trying to put it on your eyes and you're like, oh my god, this is too goopy or whatever, you can take some of it with a brush, rub it in the back of your hand, it takes some of the base out, and then you can just scoop out the glitter and apply it, and it applies a little bit more pigmented and more concentrated. I think I'll be doing some looks with this product, so don't be surprised if there's a part 1, part 2 of like different looks that I'll do with glitter, because it's such a different way to do eyeshadows, and I want to incorporate, you know, this brand, some of their glitters into my eyeshadow looks that I'm going to be playing with. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, ring the bell, like and share the video. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the section down below. Have a good one.